Hello, my dear students. How do you do? I'm also fine. Today, in the class of biology for class 9, we shall study about a special plant tissue, that is protective tissue. Protective tissue, the name refers that is a tissue that protects the different parts of a plant. There are two types of protective tissue: epidermis and cork. Epidermis is the outermost living protective layer of different parts of plant, as for example stem, root, leaf, fruit, flower. The outer surface of these all parts have epidermis. Generally, epidermis is made of single layer of a single layer of cells, but in the leaves of some tropical plants it is multi-layered, that is, it is made up of more than one layer. It is a special parenchyma without intercellular space. All the internal structure of its cells are just like parenchyma. The only difference is that in case of parenchyma there are intercellular spaces, but here there is no intercellular space because these intercellular spaces are filled up by a special organic compound, cutin, and this cutin not only fills up these gaps, but a thin layer of cutin makes the epidermis waterproof. It is a waxy substance which does not allow water to go into the leaf or into the stem or into the flowers. Epidermis contains very fine pores. Generally we find such pores which are called stomata, and in some parts there are lenticels. These are also found. Each stoma is a singular of stomata. Each stoma has two guard cells. Suppose this is the epidermis, and in this epidermis there is pore. This is a single layer of cells that make the epidermis, and in this is stoma, and this stoma is guarded by two guard cells. These guard cells open and close the stoma. In these guard cells there are chlorophylls, so these do photosynthesis. these guard cells are beans seed shaped, that is सेम के बीज के shape. So the major function of this epidermis is protection of the organ of the plant, no doubt. It makes the surface waterproof due to cuticle, and it also protects water. Excess of transpiration and entry of unwanted water, both are checked by this layer. As chlorophylls are found in these cells, so photosynthesis takes place. As there are pores, these pores cause transpiration, and opening and closing of the stomata regulates the increase and decrease of the level of transpiration. And oxygen and carbon dioxide both come into and go out due to the use inside these cells for respiration and photosynthesis. These also take place through these stroma. That's why exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide and its regulation is also done by epidermis.